He came for coffee. But he found something special. Oh, she is beautiful.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, please sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice weather today.
Yes, very nice.
What is your name?
My name is Ethan.
I'm Mia.
Nice to meet you. Do you come here often?
Yes, every Sunday.
One hot chocolate for couple?
What? You are very shy.
Yes, a little.
That is cute.
Really? Now, welcome to your learning adventure.
Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. What is your name? Do you come here often?
Now, back to story.
I must go now.
Oh, okay.
But here is my number. Call me.
Wow.
Sometimes one coffee changes everything.
Would you call her?
Comment yes or no.
Subscribe for more stories.